Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set DuckDuckGo as default search engine over on Chrome. So basically, if you have Chrome and currently your default search engine may be Google and you want to set it to DuckDuckGo, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, open Chrome just like this, and once you've done that, simply head over to the top right corner of your screen at those three little dots right here. And then you want to just go all the way down at this panel till you find settings right here. Once you've done that, simply head to the left side of your screen, and right here you will see a lot of options, and just click on search engine right here. Once you've done that, simply change it from Google to DuckDuckGo by clicking on that. And basically right now, if we just head over to my new tab, we can already notice that our now search engine has been set to DuckDuckGo. When I right now go change it back again, you will notice that it will be Google again, and that's literally all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.